The process begins when a service provider wishes to offer their expertise or service to the DAO. These service providers could range from software developers, data scientists, or infrastructure engineers to marketing agencies, project managers, or any other type of professional service that could help further LegitDAO's mission. To propose their service, the service provider must submit a service proposal through the DAO's smart contract interface. The proposal outlines the following key details. First, the service provider identity, which includes information about the service provider, such as their reputation, past experience, and skills. Second, the service offering, which is a clear description of the service being offered and how it aligns with the goals of LegitDAO. Third, the expected deliverables, which are the milestones or outcomes that the service provider promises to deliver. Fourth, the timeline, which is a proposed timeline for the execution of the project, including key milestones and deadlines. Fifth, the cost or compensation, which is the fee or compensation requested by the service provider for completing the project. Once the proposal is submitted, it is made available for review by the entire DAO community. The transparency of the process ensures that all members have access to the same information, allowing them to make informed decisions about whether to support or reject the proposal. Step 2. Voting to accept or reject the proposal. After a proposal is submitted, the next step is for the DAO's community members, known as token holders, to vote on whether to accept or reject the service provider's proposal. Voting in LegitDAO is conducted using the DAO tokens, which represent the governance power of each member. The number of tokens a member holds determines the weight of their vote, ensuring that those with a higher stake in the DAO have a greater say in its operations. The voting process is governed by the DAO's smart contract, which automates the entire process, ensuring that votes are counted accurately and that the outcome is transparent. Token holders can review the proposal, discuss its merits with other members, and then cast their vote in favor or against the proposal. The proposal is accepted if it receives a majority of votes from the DAO's community. Once accepted, the service provider is officially approved by the DAO to begin working on the project. Step 3. Project execution and proposal refinement. Once a service provider's proposal is accepted by the DAO, the next phase involves the detailed planning and execution of the project. However, the process remains flexible, as the service provider has the opportunity to refine their proposal and collaborate with the DAO to finalize the project's scope and deliverables. Refining the project proposal. While the initial proposal outlines the basic framework of the project, service providers may be required to refine their proposal and provide more detailed information, especially if the project is complex or involves multiple phases. This refinement includes specifying first milestones, which define clear and measurable milestones for the project, ensuring that the DAO can track progress. Second, resource allocation, which details the resources, team members, and tools that will be used to execute the project. Third, a detailed timeline, which is a more granular breakdown of the project timeline, including expected dates for each milestone and final project delivery. Fourth, risk assessment, which identifies potential risks or challenges that may arise during project execution, along with mitigation strategies. This refinement stage helps ensure that both the service provider and the DAO are aligned on expectations, deliverables, and timelines.